Bijou means jewelry in French, and Indochine is parts of Asia where I come from, Indochina. Being Vietnamese and a Buddhist background, a lot of my jewelry is influenced by that. I'm passionate about jewelry because of the meaning behind the gemstones. It's special for somebody at some moment in their life. There's a handwritten note from me, and I mention what you're buying, hoping that it brings joy and luck to you. It's really important to me to go through certain vendors. My pendants come from Tibet, Nepal, Bali. They're all handmade. I was thinking maybe I should create some kits for this because, other kids or other people would love to do something like this. And I created bijou kits. So I started making different kits for different people. Everybody wanted to order a kit. It's a passion project. It's something that I really love, and making any money or doing business or doing it well is just all gravy. It's all extra.